The Meghalaya state football team under 18 boys, which emerged as the champions, clinching a sensational 2-0 victory over Punjab in the finals of the Khelo India Youth Games 2024 in Chennai, were given hero welcome in Shillong. The Department of Sports and Youth Affairs organized an open truck road show for the team. Later, a felicitation program was organized at the MFA football ground today, which was attended by the Director of Sports and Youth Affairs, Isawanda Lalu, and other officials.
It is indeed such a happy occasion for each and every one of us to welcome you on this day. And in the finals yesterday, it was really a sight to behold. And for this, once again, we would like to congratulate you for your prowess on the field, for your determination and for this prize which you have brought home.